Helo, shwmae, a chroeso nôl I wythnos arall o ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae, and welcome back to another week of Welsh Wednesdays. It's a beautiful day here in Cardiff, and I thought I'd take the time this week to really slow things down and get back to basics. So, here we go. Yr wythnos yma, rydym ni yn mynd I ddysgu sut I ofyn cwestiynau cyffredin i'n ffrindiau. This week, we are going to learn how to ask common questions to our friends. Beth yw dy enw di? What is your name? Unwaith eto. One more time. Beth yw dy enw di? What is your name? Beth yw dy hoff liw? What is your favourite colour? Unwaith eto. One more time. Beth yw dy hoff liw? What is your favourite colour? Wel, dyna ni am wythnos arall o ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. That's it for another week of Welsh Wednesdays. See you next week for some more useful Welsh phrases. Gwelch chi wythnos nesa am fwy o eiriau Cymraeg. Hwyl am y tro. Goodbye for now.